Venus, our sister planet, a hellscape of crushing pressure, runaway greenhouse gases, and temperatures that could melt lead. It's the closest thing to hell in our solar system. But what if we decided to change that? Not with terraforming rovers or atmospheric scrubbers, but with the raw, destructive power of the most potent weapons humanity has ever created. Today, we're asking the ultimate, wildly speculative question. What would actually happen if we detonated a massive nuclear arsenal on the surface of Venus? Would we ignite the atmosphere? Could we spark a new dawn for our neighbour? Or are we just making a bad situation worse? Let's get into it. To understand the impact, we first have to respect the target. Venus's atmosphere is 90 times thicker than Earth's. It's mostly carbon dioxide. Nuking it on the surface is almost futile. A nuclear bomb relies on a blast wave moving through air. On Venus, the air is so thick it acts more like a fluid. If you dropped the entire world's nuclear arsenal, thousands of warheads, onto the surface, you'd create a localized catastrophe. You'd vaporize rock, you'd create a massive plume of superheated material. But you aren't going to blow up the planet. In the context of Venus's immense mass and atmosphere, you're essentially lighting a match in a hurricane, but a hurricane made of molten lead and sulfuric acid. The real problem isn't the explosion, it's the fallout. You'd be dumping radioactive isotopes into a closed system that's already toxic. You might chemically alter the immediate atmosphere by ionizing compounds, but you're not breaking the greenhouse effect,